Next thing we're going to do is we're going to cut the container. This is a 3-inch PVC pipe. These two cells are going to go in here. I'm going to cap it off with an end cap. I'm going to put an inspection cap on this side. What I'm going to do though is I'm going to cut this little piece off here, just a little piece, so that I can put a spacer between these two when I put it in here. So I'll show you how I'm going to do that. First thing I need to do is I need to measure how long this thing needs to be. So with the spacer, which I'm going to cut that wide, it needs to be that long, right? Because the end cap will come on there. As you can see, it's recessed a bit. So, and this thing over here will be on the inside. Actually, I need to make it a little bigger because this thing, as you can see, is an insert. So I'm going to have to make it a little bigger. I'm going to have to make it that size over there. Okay, so I'll mark that. Let's take this. So I can got a mark there. Take it to my saw, and then we will cut it. A little bit of a mess. Here's my table saw. Move some of the stuff away. Make sure it's on 0. Make sure it's on. Right. Now we need to get the spot where I measured, which was get my that goes there, there, now I'm just going to cut this little collar off here. Square. So there we go. Okay, now we need to drill some holes in the pipe here. I got a 6-inch drill bit, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to drill one hole there. Okay, now what I need to do is I need to drill it all the way through. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lift this thing. Okay, now that I've drilled the holes all the way through, what I'm going to do is I'm going to tap it with this 1/4 20 bit. I need to drill a bigger hole, but I'll do that right now. So now what I'm going to do is just drill the holes a little bigger. And then tap these holes out. So I'm going to tap all 4 holes out so that I can screw in the 20-quarter bolts. I'm just going to do 2 for now. Anyway, I'm going to tap the other 2 out and then I'll get back to you. Okay, now that I've tapped the holes, as you can see, these 1/4 bolts, and I'll screw in here. Screw in. What I'm going to do is I'm going to insert one of these, take this and line it up with the hole on the inside. So as you can see, I already got the one side in. Now I'm just going to put the other side in. Make sure it lines up. So now I've got the 2 sides in, and I'm just going to do the same to the other side. Get this thing in. Line it up. That side in. And that side in. So as you can see, 2 sides.